Good morning, everyone. I am Chalama Reddy, Mathematics. Now, in previous class, we have discussed harmonic progression and harmonic mean. Now, we are going to discuss that AGP series. That means arithmetic geometric progression. Now, the series of the form a plus d into r plus a plus 2d into r square plus and so on is called an arithmetic geometric progression with common difference d and a common ratio is r. And how to find nth term of the AGP series, that means arithmetic geometric series. This is nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. How to find sum of n terms in AGP series? This is the formula. Sum of n terms Sn is equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r whole power n minus 2 divided by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r. How to find the sum of infinite terms of the AGP series, arithmetic geometric progression? This is the formula. A by 1 minus r plus dr divided by 1 minus r whole square. If the common ratio is lies between minus 1 to 1, that means mod r value is less than 1. Now I am going to discuss that in this AGP series. First problem. The sum of the series one plus 5 by 2 plus 9 by 4 plus 13 by 8 and so on is, this is the question. The last term they didn't given, that means I think this is an infinite AGP series. The sum of the infinite AGP series we need to find. First identify that what is the first term. First term should be 1, a value 1. And here observe that 1 we can write 1 by 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means that is 1. 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on. These are form AP series. Next 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 4 means 2 square. 1 by 8, 2 cube. These are form in GP series. By mixing both, we will say that this is AGP series. Observe the AP series. In this series, what is the common difference? Tell me, students. Common difference is how much? D, that is 4. Now in GP series, observe that what is common ratio? 1 by 2. So here A value is 1, D value is 4 and the common ratio is 1 by 2. Now we need to find sum of infinite series. What is the formula? A by 1 minus r plus dr divided by 1 minus r whole square. This is the formula. Those values substitute in that formula. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus d is 4, r means 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 2 means that is 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 that is 2 plus here 2 2s are 4. Numerator will come 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 means that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square means denominator 1 by 4. Now it is going to numerator, that is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, that is 10. So sum of infinite AGP series value is 10. See the question, second one. The sum of 10 terms of the series they are asking. Sum of 10 terms of the series. So this is also AGP series only. Identify that. 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. These are from AP series. What is common difference? 2. And another term, observe that 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 means we can write 1 by 2 square. 1 by 8 means 1 by 2 cube, and so on. This is GP series. What is common ratio? 1 by 2. So finally here, A value is 1, D value is 2, and R value is 1 by 2. Here they are asking sum of 10 terms. That means N value is 10. N value is 10. Now what is sum of n terms of the AGP series formula? Sum of n terms in AGP series. So this is the formula. AN is equal to A divided by 1 minus R plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 2 divided by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus r. This is actually lengthy formula, but you want to remember it. This is sum of n terms in AGP series. Now they are asking only sum of 10 terms. S10, substitute the values. A is 1, divide by 1 minus R means 1 by 2 plus D is 2, R is 1 by 2 into 1 minus R means 1 by 2 whole power n minus 2. N value is 10. 10 minus 2, that is 8, divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square minus a plus n minus 1. N means 10 now. 10 minus 1, 9 into d 2 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1, that is 9. 1 minus 1 by 2. Now this value we want to simplify. What is 1 minus 1 by 2? That is 1 by 2. It is going to numerator means we get 2. Plus here 2 to cancel plus here 1 by 2 power 8 numerator. That is calculate 2 power 8 minus 1 by 2 power 8 divided by 1 divided by 2 square. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 now. Minus 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 into 1 by 2 power 9 divided by 1 by 2. So this is 2 plus 2 power 8 minus 1 divided by, and 2 power 8 2 square, observe that you will get the denominator 2 power 6 minus here 19 divided by 2 power 9 and denominator 2. So we get 2 power 8. So finally, what is the LCM? 2 power 8. Here already 2 is it. 2 into 2 power 8, 2 power 9 plus here 2 power 6. That means need a 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into 2 power 8 minus 1 minus 19. Students, tell me, what is 2 power 8 value? Here I will write 2 power 8, that is equal to 216. 2 power 9, 512, 2 power 10, 1024. These are the values. These are the values. Okay. Now those values substitute in the question and calculate, you will get answer. 2 power 9, 512 plus 2 square into 2 power 8, that is 2 power 10 or not? That's value should be 1024 minus 2 square into 1, 2 square. 2 square value is 4 minus 19 divided by 2 power 8, 216. Now the total answer is 1513 by 216. This is sum of 10 terms of the series. This is not 216, 256, sorry. 256 this is. By mistake I am written. Please change the correct. AGP series or not, we want to verify first. So first term, that means 1, 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on. This is not AP. Why it is not AP? Difference is 1. Here is 4. Here is 4. Here is 4. So difference is not same. So 1, 2, 6, 10, 14, it is not AP series. So if it is not AP, this is not AGP series. So this is finally not AGP series. Then how to calculate? Let the given problem take that sum S 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square, 10 by 3 cube, and so on, infinite. I am going to multiply 1 by 3 each and every term. Then what happened? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 square plus 6 by 3 cube plus and so on, infinite. Both subtract S minus 1 by 3 into S. Then tell me what happened. 1. Observe these two. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 plus, observe these two. 6 by 3 square minus 2 by 3 square. that is 4 by 3 square plus. Observe these two. 10 minus 6, 4 by 3 cube, and so on up to infinite. Students, are you understood what I am done? Here take s common. We get 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 square, 4 by 3 cube, and so on infinite. So here I am going to take common 4 by 3. Then what is the remaining? 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square, and so on infinite. So this is finally GP series. Sum of infinite GP series formula A by 1 minus R. This is the formula now. Apply the formula. 4 by 3 into A 1 by R 1 by 3. Calculate this. Calculate this here. S into 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 2. So 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4, and 2 also cancel. Finally, s by 3 is equal to 1, s is equal to 3. S means what? Sum, problem only. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 cube plus, and so on up to infinite. That value should be 3. This is the answer. Here, one of the series given, we need to find k value. And see the left hand side, 10 power 9 is there. Divide on both side with 10 power 9. 10 power 9. Then what happened? See? Then what happened? See? K is equal to, so left hand side divide with 10 power 9, it is going to cancel. Now go to the right hand side. 10 power 9 by 10 power 9, 1 plus 2 into 11. 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 9, that is 10 plus 3 into 11 square. 10 power 7 divided by 10 power 9, that is 10 square. 11 square by 10 square. 11 by 10 whole square. Okay. Next. Students, are you understood? Both the sides divide with 10 power 9, you will get like this. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Now, in both the sides, divide with 11 by 10. 11 by 10 into k, that is equal to 11 by 10 plus 2 into 11 by 10 whole square. Both the side multiply with 11 by 10. 3 into 11 by 10 whole cube, and so on. The last term, what will come? 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10. And before term, 9 into 11 by 10 whole power 9. This is second. Both we can subtract. both we can subtract k minus 11k by 10. So here observe carefully 1. These two, see that 2 into 11 by 10 minus 11 by 10. That is only level 11 by 10 plus. These two, observe that 11 by 10 whole square terms here 3, here 2. 3 minus 2, 1. This is 11 by 10 whole square. Similarly, next term 11 by 10 whole cube plus and so on. Observe these two. So what will come? 11 by 10 whole power 9. Now last term will be extra. So that is minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10, because we are subtracting now 1 minus 2. So that's why second equation, last term, we get negative. Now here k take common. 1 minus 11 by 10, that is minus 1 by 10. These value totally minus k by 10, that is equal to, and up to this, observe that is in the form of GP series. How many terms are there? Here power is 1, here is 0. 0 to 9 means there are 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms in GP series. Here a value is 1. What is sum of n terms in GP series formula? R power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here n means 10. R means 11 by 10. 11 by 10 whole power 10 minus 1 divided by 11 by 10 minus 1. Minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10. This is. Now calculate carefully. Minus k by 10, that is equal to numerator 11 by 10 whole power 10 minus 1 divided by 11 by 10 minus 1, that is 1 by minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 minus here 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10. So here minus 1 by 10 is going to numerator, that is minus 10. So you will get minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10 minus into minus plus 10 minus 10 into 11 by 10 whole power 10. This is.